Hello all. Today we'll see how to install the MinGW compiler in the Windows operating system. Just open up your browser and search for MinGW OSDN and press enter. Click on the first link which has the minimalistic GNU Windows project and click on the mingw-get setup.exe and a file will get downloaded. See, it's a very short file. So what you can do is go to the downloads folder and double click on the setup file. You'll be seeing something like this. So as usual, I'll be going to the common folder because I'll be installing stuff over there. So what you could do is just click on install, and I don't want to install it over here. So what I will do is I'll mention the name over here directly. So it is not allowing me to type. So what I will do is I click on change. I'll scroll a little bit down. I'll click on Kamal, and I want to create a folder inside Kamal because I don't want it to get installed over here. So what I will do is I can either I click on create folder over here, or I can also do it in this way also. Like I can make a new folder and rename it to MinGW. I can do it in this way. Uh, yeah, because it's showing like new folder, right? But the folder that we created was MinGW. So click on this PC. Yeah, I click on this PC and local disk C, Kamal. Click on MinGW. Yes, it's done, and the folder does like this. So click on continue. This might take some time, like very little bit of your time. So just be a little patient because it's getting some stuff for your installation. And the thing is, even though it shows 38, I think it might increase after some time. Let's see how it goes. Told you. And once that is done, click on continue, and it might ask you to select the packages that you would like to install. Well, I don't want Fortran compiler, so what I would do is I'll select the GNU C++ compiler, like GCC hyphen G++ bin, and maybe I will also install the basic MinGW installation. And you can also see the description below. And also maybe, yeah, I think these two are more than enough. So I click on installation and click on apply changes, and it will ask for the confirmation. So I click on apply. So I'm installing base as well as the GCC hyphen G++. So this again might take some time, so kindly be patient and let it get some stuff for the installation. And I think it's done, so I'll just click on this and close it. I think all the installation is done, like whatever is needed. So what I will do is I'll just quit it because I believe it's done. So anyways, let's check it using command prompt. Type gcc hyphen hyphen version. It's not replaceable, so I think it's the same for G++ as well. So in that case, what we have to do is I have to close the command prompt first and type edit the system environment variables and just click on the first thing that comes up. And before that, you have to know like where it is being installed. So go to the MinGW folder and go inside the bin folder. Here, if you can see, we have the binaries of GCC and G++ compilers. So go to the address bar using Control L, or you can also click on this address bar. Both are the same, but I prefer to do it using the keyboard. So Control L, Control X to cut it, and go to environment variables. Click on user variables, and inside user variables we have path. Click on edit. Click on new. Paste the path. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Do not add anything in the system variables. This is for the all users. This is for one particular user, which is you. So do not mess with the system variables. That's what I'm saying. These are the system variables. These are the user variables. So just click on OK. Click on OK again. Now close this. Now try to open the command prompt and type gcc hyphen hyphen version. See, now we are getting it. Now type G++ because this is a compiler which we use for C++ codes, and type G++ hyphen hyphen version. We are getting it. So I'm just quickly closing the command prompt. Now let's try to execute some easy C and C++ program. So I'm just creating a new folder inside GitHub called testing, and I'll open that particular folder using VS Code. If you had followed all the steps in the previous video of installation of VS Code, this option would have been there for you, like open with code. So I'll just click on open with code, and I'll just close this welcome message screen. I'll click on file. I'll click on new file. Another way to do is just double clicking it on the empty screen. Another way is to go to this name and click on new file and giving it like hello c, because we are going to test out C program, and it is saying like, do you want to install the recommended installation for C? Yes, I want to install, so I'll just click on that, because I think it will make things a little bit easier for you. So it is installing some stuff for the extensions, and now let us try to write a default hello world program for C. So hash include stdio.h and into main printf hello world. I'm just doing a slash and double slash and all, like all C codes. You have to delimit using a semicolon and type return 0, because we have given it as int main. It actually returns something. So yes, now what you could do is open the terminal, click on new terminal. By default, I think it's PowerShell. We don't need PowerShell to do a simple hello C program or any program as such. We use PowerShell for system related tasks. Like let's say you are installing some application for the system for like a chocolatey and Node.js and stuff like that. At that time, maybe you can use PowerShell. But even for that, I think you can go ahead with the command prompt. So what I will do is click on this down arrow icon, select default profile, and select the command prompt. And once that is done, you can delete this. Now if you go to the terminal and click on new terminal again, you will be getting the command prompt. Since we are already inside the testing folder, what I will do is I'll type gcc hyphen the file name, which is hello.c hyphen o, to produce an output and to give a different output name. So but I'll just give hello c. So what I will do is it will compile the code, and since once it's compiled, it will create an executable. Now to execute the code, all I have to do is just type hello c, and it is printing the message. So this is how you compile and execute the C code. Another way to do is you can combine these two statements and type hello C in this way, and in that way it will compile and execute at the same time. Now let us try to install I mean try to do a hello world program in C++. So I'll give hello cpp, or just cpp hello dot cpp, and let me just zoom in a little bit. Hash include iostream using namespace std. Anyways, we're just going to use one cout statement, but I'll just give it in this way: int main cout hello world. And to add ender, you can do it in this way and end it with a semicolon and type return 0. Save the file using Control S. Then to compile a C++ program, just type G++. Like go into that particular folder where that C program exists. It's already there in the testing folder. So G++, the file name, which is cpp hello.cpp hyphen o. I'll give cpp hello, and it will just compile and check if there is any error. We don't have any error, so we got the executable file. So to execute that file, all you have to do is give cpp hello, and it has printed the hello world thing. So this is how you install a MinGW compiler for C and C++ in your Windows machine. Thank you for patiently watching the video till the end. I hope this helped. If you have any queries, feel free to comment in the comment section.